and I was a particular girl we. Yadi Hannah we cried there, yadi chen pet. You ever free Ghana?
I wish you for Ghana SMTVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification so that anytime we upload a video, we will start back. I wish you for Monaguchi, brah. Brah. What was I saying? Monaguchi, what's he saying? You are sitting on television. So you're a show host too. So you're a journalist too. They say Ghana, you don't know how to qualify you people no longer. You don't know how to qualify. You don't know if you're a journalist. You don't know if you should call you a journalist. Because clearly there's nothing journalism going on. I mean, especially most of you are more on your idea. You can't say it's journalism. It's a show hoster. Who now say you are begging your mama to go and arrest a TikToker bia? It's a TikToker cry or yeah, lady behind the video go viral. I think recently, yeah, I see some soldiers shot dead an assemblyman or so. Yes. And the before ni mono, and I want to record the video bia or friend your mama, see your mama and pa bonini and you see when people are grieving, not to say asema by one okay and right, but when people are grieving, they say all manner of stuff. Sometimes when they are done and you sit them down and you play it back to them, they'll be like, hey, did I really say this? I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I didn't intend this. I see the beer. Uber hospital cry. As a doctor, you can tell somebody that maybe unyano upapa umamino we free. And the person will hold your neck say una we kuno. And then they see the beer. But the interesting stuff is say, according to Onwa Monaguchi, no, girl no somebody be pacho. Na maybe so. Monaguchi say, if your mama forgives this girl, Onu Monaguchi on to ababio. Na maybe so. Monaguchi, were you in this country when wow station work Captain Smart? Nsembe na wanka fa Akufo-Addo. Monaguchi. Nsembe na Captain Smart woni no yadwuma Onua FM no. Nsembe na wanka fa Akufo-Addo. Did you come and sit on set to say Akufo-Addo the Captain Smart Bonichen there on to ababio? One go to my NDC. When Kevin Taylor was insulting Yahimfo and all the rest, Monaguchi, you still went to vote for NDC. Did you know what you know now? That insult is not good. Say ye bomb and penny din, ye yano. And sembe na samije mfie okrumha, wanka fa Akufo-Addo. Monaguchi, where were you? Where were you? Oh, then it was good. Now it's no good. Some of you must be very, very, I mean, you don't even have any iota of any woo, there be. You don't have any shame. Either way, some of you will not come and sit in front of the camera and still say some things to the face of Ghanaians. It's an insult. It's an insult, a blatant insult to Ghanaians. Munima.
Where friend Hannah. Now, Mikojo, I think the president is quite soft. I think they mistake his slow talking, the way he talks. I think they mistake it for he being a calm person. Because on one kasa so be video for so war patrol. Now, Mahama we dey mesro, and the way she mentions the president's name, no, me bufu Mahama we dey me patcho, we dey Mahama, we dey me di me hunko abetu foma. Hana, Mahama de chewa, ye mu bebre ye vote bi. You this particular girl. Son fancy comedy money other ones no, but there are two people. Bakubi a friend of Jollof Ghana or say why no. And Bakubi so ebe can ebe did this amije fiatem. And I was a particular girl we. Yadi Hannah we cried there. Yadi channel pet. You be free Ghana. You back me say me free exile. Me kwa kotina Burkina Faso. Because then we will know say the laws are not working. The laws are not working. Papa, okay, show is one amenewu. And Kolebi school for be omu kasetia his excellency the past president, you know. Kolebi no. When you say immediately you pamu omu from school. Okay, GH mouthpiece. Madam for na air obama show ne so.
Yeah, mouthpiece.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I say, your friend Ashanti Port. Wa register we mo the contract na mano say your friend Ashanti Port when you the contract we could secure $350 million loan or the kwaya buankra million Ashanti for mutie document na gu table so say ehun say twe audio sika ho na okwa kwaji sika ne de aba yes say all the free Jubilee House aba say yen konko bi so tumfo say Ashanti Port no ka ho ana
okay ho say o share so ana
masa me meka o me meka o pata me o pape masa me mfa ho me ya say me go me pese obi abedo me I don't need anybody to love me. It's me by obi aso ndo me da. Apart from me mama. Obi eni asase so odo me who catch him say you love me we your ba captain I love you Jimino. You don't love me bia. You are interested in my popularity, you are interested in my fame, you are interested in kakra me de be ma wedi. You don't love me we Jimino. When I catch say you love me, can you love me? Na yetimi asoma abofo won koduru manhia no
every infant Jubilee House
won koduru manhia no won ntimi nwuram akufa do timi nya akukuduro busa otumfo say Ashanti port no ka ho no otumfo company
ade de odi bia na ewra odi ka ho ana
ebuo ina nim tia to a level say you know the story.
I know
it's good you know.
I know the story pa
and am santi ana buankra maso no se munima me ka kire mo
se be yo besi
say abrantie na ono kopa ni sika edi be ye buankra akufo adoma the then transport minister twa contract no no say wasi Ghana or judgment debt of $5 billion.
Yeah.
Was he
from $350 million
from $350 million
to $5 billion
to $5 billion say Bahama negotiate or pacho because social contract ni mu a any the MPP here na Ghana by any choice and so o pacho and yes sir we be judgment debt of $5 billion. Me catch them 3 months ago Peter asasra ya say Debi yes yen ko dwi so no ho asasra ya say yen fa grader
yen clear
so no almost sanction $24 million. Say grader on fendri asasia Andrew 10 acres so
now I say papa now yeah the $1 million square to go term now yeah that's asosua
$24 million.
Era de yakofo
na akofo do timi nya adaje timi kotra sante hima yase koche otumfo asante ni tirimu wasempa me nchiawo
asem na aba
me nchiawo me town amam wa husam town me nshada meye Ghana fo ade no fanfa ena muna wutirim me papa kufo na muna ni tirim me mamuna manim me mo wa husam wajimi jajimi no me nchiawo Asante ni de ni tiri mu asempa me kwadi o. Me fi wo. Enu bi no mo ye ya kwa me kuma chi JB dan kwa mo ne nam krom ha. That's how you prefer to can some fool or Ghana ha. Say Kwame Kroma chi JB dan kwa. That's how kwa no. Kwame Kroma ni timu ampa asempa no. Me kama ba me na de na tum. Owie ye no den si ye. Owie bi na chiri no sa kofa asampan. Wo fantini a wa betra asante. Wanyiri wa asante. Ya tete wa asante. Wa kira de wa asante. Na asante ne hu se kejetia market no kadem agro ni gu. Anya ye nuanom asante fo no nya ba bi ntena. Endidwa Kwame Nkrumah hu nyansa hu se no region bia wo se de nyame ye won. Ashanti region wo ye den wo medidwa. Wo kwa kejetia market Afenyo u kata to eze ato me so afenyo
wa kuma mbra form that na pa
You want me to say it?
Osi wa kuma mbra form that na pa ne mumbio
Wo mo ye ya de wo mani kosi otumfo so me meka o time na Abrante bi ekoye Buankra inland port.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
Ena Addo from Kufuor times Akufo-Addo pesa ade ne say. Eti ye kwato 2020 aba no. Ena oye na just say na be ye obenya Asante region for me nuanom Asante for. Me ana me nuanom me wo fa ne me ma me nom. Me a me nuanom Asante for. Mo ma ye ni nda ho. Na nye MPP di bia na sese eto aba ma no man di president.
And then okay. Even MP cry.
Enye MPP ni bia entafo eni ayigbefo no etoda wo bo Asante man chen Asantefo nye sample chen MPP Rollins oya igbeni oya mampon kwan Akufo-Addo ba no yere Kwame Nkrumah nya Asante ni osiji Yey Mama oye tani Mahama ye tani no osi afari tani no osi sawia tani no osi kumawu Mahama oye tani
osi kejetia
oye tani
osi Ratri Park
Mahama truko jobonsu osi Ratri Park Mahama oye tani no tani no onu tani no na sisi saa ne ma no ma Asante Mahama oye tani Mahama airport na si wona na Akufo-Addo dimirika ko bia no otumfo bisa no otutu fun ema otumfo no ana ntimi nya adwuma no eye tani Mahama. Now back to Buankra. Who got some refi?
Man push your kusasi problem, then Dr. Baumia, you have a chance. But today,
my name say, what be your communication director no day? Nanka party election be a yakobia wunim pefe say. Since 96 by na bokuye baby enye NPP stronghold. As a communicator, not just a communicator, communication director. I wouldn't say bokuye biya already no. NPP and shada vote biya ho. The whole Ghana NPP vote as to see will be a beer 2024 election, except Northeast. Northeast, the year a large Mahmudu Baumia Chrome Penna. The vote increase here. And tokwa Dr. Baumia beto so. Ya wono or buy an antokwane wohono. O say, said Dr. Baumia to Mr. Vista antokwane dia. Then, or more chance. Wow. Now I mean bisa wo. Time na 2012 ye po bia na ko gina adaka mu no. Mo ka kire ne say Dr. Baumia on tokwa ewo okrom. Enti ye mpini ma nko gina adaka mu ko defend party no. Se na boss na o hono no wen. Abua papun. Wo ye adwuma Ghana gas. Prabe kire me one single user. Wafa no di na ye adwuma wo ho. A one yan fa so anfri ne so. Oye be ma obeji ni sika oye oba so a obebo ni sisim todwe. Wan bo ni sisim todwe a wonya adwuma no. Enti obi a wanti asiam wan bo ni sisim todwe no. Wo ye sure so sa nipa no obekwa akoto aba ma wo party na eba aba mu obesi nya sa dibre na hye ni biem. O own boss Kennedy Japan kro ya ko gina simpie so say NPP paying for a phone sika as if there is no tomorrow. Enti no NPP paying for bi obeba ha say sakoto aba ma omu bia ka kire omo so omo ma musika ansa na makoto. Na office me ye youth na asa me ye obi a me ni adwuma ya. Party niya ye nim second de enya NPP so mfa so enya contract awodo ama na yire enya bi. Obeka asem we ya. Why na engine di? Eno de mo nka wa hu. Kennedy Japan beka as Dr. Baumia tamtika titri dia brand say onje step it down. Abra na nka say sika na oka na ampa say wo ho na nka hu hia say ebeko IMF mpo. Eno nim he haaye. Ene de obeka se boko ene eyi boko ntokwa. Mamprusi ni kusa asifo ntokwa nti. Ena ye Lucy ye. Mamprusi ni kusa asintokwa nti ye Lucy. Ya na momodwen sen. Yetu abawie Monday to Saturday, Sunday, Monday. And a flyer starts about out. Kennedy Japan 2020. Ya ntu aba nya 1 week impo. And I start post here. Ken 2020 because na mo agenda. Muko campaign na mo se mo ko to aba. Mo beto kura ma mo ntu men PP na Kennedy besin aba. Because of say Dr. Baumia ne mo nka me see ni nti ana. Dr. Baumia Oni mo nka me see ni nti amoye ne sa na asese mo beyi ma no. Because sometimes ya na ahomte areho. Say as a communication director, wunim say asem we ya wuken. Bua wunim say asem we ya wuken enye sa na tie. So baba begina ha wi apaputi abeka. Asem ya wuken bua wunim say ente sa. So baba be wi apaputi abeka. Mu be puti blame on Dr. Baumia wo hu. Dr. Baumia as a candidate no why then? O say nipa 2 million na anto aba no. Sa ankofo na still na di Dr. Baumia ba omo nto aba. Na mu expect say 4 million na yeto aba ma Dr. Baumia no. Mu di candidate for ba sa 4 million de beto aba ma candidate wo hu. Mu di agro wo mani so. Agro wo mani so as a communication director hwensem a wo ka. Shensem a woka enne na miracles be kwa koye bibi a no obeso asine so okoye bibi in the name of the new patriotic party kra wo communication director no wo since say ye ko opposition wo betina wo defend the party ne da shaman wo fu NDC aban unkasa da wo no boss nyina miracles aboaje galamsa NDC forecast wo mo bo mbetimi de just 2 weeks I and Digalam say Sam George Ekabi 9 months munie miracles echo site on coachicha and so near the omuye the same thing the campaign ti okoya wa begina ha say kansem hu because miracles abwaje wo Baumia Dr. Baumia camp nti wo attacking personally as a communication director wo nya ni wo na sometimes akwa we kro mu boni din so ye o ka communicators no ho kra national kra na chese wo boma bukra so ye party ni wo menko ho na wo aboa pap mu ye de sinse o boss enya contract ne wife enya contract youth na okọ baby and they okọ ne tawo na ma okase Wamu ba wamu ma adwuma wo try so yi ni ho free party ni no na party no onka ho wo hu ye man contract ni youth do do say no otimi di for adwuma Moja enu nyina to on be puti blame on Dr. Baumia say Dr. Baumia ntimi ansove kusasi ni mampusi ntokwa. Dr. Baumia pe na ye politician o free ho no hu. Mahama yarega so ofiri wo ma mi fie. Se say de da ben na boko keke no entokwa esi wo boko a yanto aba men pipi nti no ama ye Lucy. Na since when na NPP no omoto aba boom 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 e wo boko o maaye. As a communication director, propaganda phone bi anamo beye. Aye rade. DM bi ne die mo kwasro ba phone. Ye delegate ye 31st January. Ye betu ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia. Because ono ne ye trust no. Ono aka 9 pe. Win with Baumia. Me ka tra bo papo. Let Baumia be. What I say? Now we are then Dr. Alhaji Mahmudu Baumia 2028 Obaba be ye Ghana man penny. Ewa ha inshallah. Wujidia show amen no comment section ho.